Hey y'all. I wanted to show y'all. I got a SHEIN package today. We actually got a SHEIN box the other day too, with a lot of mainly my daughter's stuff in. We got her a few like leopard pieces, like some sleep dresses, and I have to show y'all. We have another one that kind of lingered in. I think I have like 2 more SHEIN packages that have to come. So. Oh, are these my boots? I think it's my boots. Oh my. Okay. I know better. Oh. Oh my. I'm gonna try them on real quick. Ooh, they soft. Ooh. Oh my. Oh shoot. Probably the same manufacturer. Look how cute. Maybe next winter. It's cute. Y'all, I also got this cute leopard coat. But isn't this cute? It has a hood on it. Shoes here that I just got for my baby. And these are her old pair of winter boots that she's been wearing religiously. Okay, so next what we have here today is a real cute dress, y'all. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to. We need like a candlelight dinner date or something. Cause baby, she's cute. She's a little thin. And these are some press-ons that we got from SHEIN. Somebody has my phone case on the floor. Let me get some of this trash up. Yes, gotta take the trash out. And these need to be washed. These are my locks that I took out last. Real quick. I done lit my candle. It's about done. Yeah, this book here is good to have. The prescription Nutritional Healing. I don't know if it's still available. My mom got it for me for a gift a while back. And it's just real good to have. So, my problems that I'm having right now. Usually, I only have this problem when I'm pregnant. But I know I'm not pregnant. So, I don't know what's going on. I heard your mouth will give you trouble after having kids. So, you can look up whatever you think is going on. You can look it up here in this book and they'll give you the remedy for it. So I need to look up along the lines like bleeding gums. Let's see. Hemorrhoids, indigestion. I don't see anything like about the gums. I found it. But this is under pregnancy related problems. Y'all, I'm not pregnant though. 702. So let's look that up. 702. That's funny. It's under pregnancy related problems. Bleeding gums. So during pregnancy, increasing estrogen levels cause the gums to swell and become somewhat softer than normal, and the circulation of blood to them increases. This makes the gums more prone to bleeding and infection, especially if good oral hygiene is not maintained. So, recommendations: be sure your diet contains enough calcium and high quality complete proteins such as soy products. Increase your intake of foods rich in vitamin C, as a deficiency in this vitamin can contribute to bleeding gums. Okay, I've been doing my lemon water every morning the past 3 days. So if you smoke, quit, preferably before you get pregnant. Okay. Cigarette smoke reduces the oxygen supply to the developing fetus. Okay, we don't even know that. Brush your teeth 3 to 4 times daily. And massage your gums with clean fingers when necessary. Floss your teeth daily. See your dentist at least once during the pregnancy, and be sure to inform the dentist that you are pregnant. Okay, I'm not pregnant, so I'm gonna have to go check on my baby and see what she's doing. Pre-eclampsia, dandruff, $3.79. Yeah, I've been battling with dandruff for so long, but I know it's the water here. It's something going on with the water. They've been doing stuff with it. I don't know. Dandruff, okay. A supplement, kelp. Oh, wow. Very important supplements to take for dandruff. Essential fatty acids, flaxseed oil, or salmon oil. Helps to relieve itching and inflammation, essential for healthy skin and scalp. Kelp, okay. This is for better hair growth and healing the scalp. Selenium, it's an antioxidant to aid in controlling dry scalp. Vitamin B complex, okay. It's for healthy skin and hair. Use a high stress formula. I have that in there. A stress complex. Plus a B6, a vitamin B6, and a vitamin B12. I have B12s in there. Vitamin E for improved circulation. Zinc, okay. That's to provide the skin with protein. They have vitamin A. Okay, I have a new family vitamin that I'm going to try by Mary Ruth. I tried the kind that's more focused towards growing your hair. A multivitamin that's supposed to grow your hair. I had that. I took the whole bottle. Good. I also ordered a Mary Ruth vitamin, a raspberry kind that is a family vitamin. So me and my daughter will take. I'm gonna try it out first though. And it has all of this good stuff in it. Like it's packed with some vitamins and stuff that most vitamins wouldn't have, if you know what I mean. So also for dandruff, eating a diet consisting of 75% raw foods. Hold on. Also, it says eat a diet consisting of 50 to 75% raw foods. I might have to try that. Avoid fried foods, dairy products, sugar, flour, chocolate, nuts, and seafood. It said to do a fast. See fasting in part 3 and follow the program once a month. I'm gonna see what that is. I did a fast the other day. It was just from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. But that was for spiritual purposes. But it did reactivate something. I have a bowel movement every time I eat now, so it helped with that. Before washing your hair, add about 8 tablespoons of pure organic peppermint oil to the juice of a half a lemon and rub the mixture into your scalp. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then shampoo. Try rinsing your hair with vinegar. I've heard of that one. Vinegar and water, well, really apple cider vinegar, instead of plain water after shampooing. Try rinsing your hair with vinegar and water instead of plain water after shampooing. Wow. If antibiotics are prescribed, take extra B complex vitamins. Do not pick or scratch the scalp. Make sure to wash your hair frequently and use a non-oily shampoo. Use natural hair products that do not contain chemicals. Avoid using irritating soaps and greasy ointments and creams. Massage your scalp first before washing your hair. Do not use a shampoo containing selenium on a daily basis, even if it aids in controlling dandruff. If dandruff is persistent or seem to be getting worse, or if it appears in areas other than the scalp, consult your health provider. Sun exposure for some people helps clear up dandruff, but others find it seems to make the problem worse. It is best not to use over-the-counter ointments for dandruff. They can often do more harm than good. Where'd you get this? No. Nazorol. I think I had some of that, and it does work, but the bottles are so small. They're so small. I get them for free though off of from CVS, but the bottles are so small. Like I need a big bottle of that. It does work though. That in combination with the CVS, I had to put it in the corner. Some type of solution. That combination, top tier. But you have to be consistent with it. So I will go from doing it one time and then throwing some braids or some locks in, and then it'll come back. But you want to get to the root of things. You don't want to just get rid of it. You want to get to the root of things. Wait a minute. Oh look, it says here a thyme rinse, like the herb thyme. The infusion of thyme may be used as a hair rinse. Aloe vera cream or gel is a powerful antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. Twice a day applications of the pure gel or shampoo containing aloe vera should be beneficial. Those with dandruff can benefit from taking dandelion, red clover, and golden seal. And it tells you how many times you can take this stuff and when to stop. Okay. That's good stuff right there for dandruff. The Cure to Dandruff. This is a good book. Every little condition that I have, we're gonna bookmark it. So, thanks, Cookie. I'm running Cookie's bath water. I'm gonna get her bath out of the way. And then come in here and do something for my clients, because it's got to be done before the night is over.
Also learned, and these are the lessons I sit with myself. I learned maybe God didn't give me a daughter because that's supposed to be the mini version of my wife. Oh. You know what I mean? Like, but the people around me keep. They understand who they are. My parents understand their child. They understand It's always been me, and I can't help it. It ain't just something you turn off, you know. So I just try not to. I try never to push a narrative that's not me.
Let me ask you this: when you said
you about it for a second yesterday, my love is loving someone else. Like I do things for people with no intent of return. Like once you drop expectation, I think a lot of people need to learn that. Once you bring down expectation, you open the door for surprise.
Disappointment.
For, good things flowing into your life, and I feel like I dropped all expectations when it came to dating.
Wow.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Wow.
You know, anytime women hear your voice, they go crazy. When we did, I did an interview.
I wonder if he like crazy or something. It's something. Is there a catch?
At the start of 2023.